We are really packed in here, aren't we?
Something is very wrong with this plane. This is a trap! It's a conspiracy to take us down! They're experimenting on us! I won't be a rat in your flying cage!
Oh, a seat for my second cheek.
Yo, travel trolls, a crazy lady just got kicked off the plane, so I jump squatted a sweet aisle seat. Give my 40,000 followers a moan, bald dude.
Doe. Toenail clipper. Sardine eater. Disgusto flossers.
Hiya!
Ow! Karate children! Marge, I'm trying to hold it together, just like I promised.